Are you a small business on Amazon and you want that small business badge to appear under your products in the search results? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that and what it looks like. I'm Dylan from AMZ Joy. Let's jump into the video. Okay, starting off, what is the small business tag? Okay, so on Amazon, I've typed in handmade tags. And then when you scroll down to the search results, you'll see this badge here, which says small business with a drop down arrow. Okay, you can click it and it kind of explains what the small business is. Now, right away, this kind of catches the eye straight off the bat, and it's taking up more real estate on the search results, which is always nice. The more people see, it can help improve your click-through rate and things like that. Now, I will say that I haven't seen huge increases using the small business badge, but it doesn't hurt to try it out. Then when we actually click the listing, under the bullet points, you'll see additional details, and then small business will show up again here where it says this product is from a small business brand, support small. So Amazon is pretty much pushing the customer to support this small business, help them out. So I could say if someone actually looks at that and sees it, it probably could help with conversion rates a little bit. But overall, customers are more looking at the product, the reviews, the price, etc. But it doesn't hurt. And I'm going to show you how you can apply for this and what's required. Okay, so starting off, to be eligible to apply for the small business badge, you need to be brand registered. That's number one, most sellers are. Two, you need to be defined as a small business. When you search small business, it gives you a FAQ of everything about the badge. And you can see that they follow Gartner's definition of small business. And I guarantee most people watching this video fall under that, because if you head over, you can see straight away small businesses are usually defined as organizations with fewer than 100 employees, and two, small businesses under 50 million in annual revenue. So I'm assuming you're probably under that, because that's a pretty hard feat to beat. Okay, next, what's the next step that we do? If you scroll down to 7th question, you can contact seller support. And what do you need when you contact them? You need your brand and company, okay, business address, and your merchant token ID. And then it will take up to 10 days from the initial request to either be approved or not. Okay, so how do we find the merchant ID? Head back to your Seller Central page, settings on the right-hand side, click account info. Next, click business information. Then you'll see your merchant token. That is the same as your merchant ID. And then you'll just select it for the marketplace that you're selling in. NA generally shares the same merchant token. So copy that, and then we'll head over to the help, top right, get help and resources. And then put in my issue is not listed and type in applying for the small business badge. Here are my details. So we needed the brand name, company name, which is essentially the same thing, business address, use the one that matches your Amazon details, of course, and then the merchant ID that we just copied. So enter all 4 of those things, click continue. And then usually it doesn't show up, and just say my issue is not listed, FBA related, whatever. And then select chat as the option. Then chat with the person in support, tell them you're trying to apply for the small business badge. If they don't understand, you can always link the direct search results on Amazon for small business badge. And then either they'll understand what to do, and then help you with that, or they'll forward your case to the team that takes care of it. And then you can expect a reply basically within 10 days or even more on whether or not you're approved. And then that small business badge will appear for all of your products. So that's how you do it. If you need any other help, my contact details are in the description below, or you can just leave a comment on this video. Thank you for watching. I'm Dylan Heathcote from AMZ Joy. Have a good day.